Great. And then Shannon had a question. It was kind of a combination of the previous, your number one article on lead times, and in consideration with the costs that we're looking at here, are casting costs affected by the current market and longer lead times? Are you seeing that as a trend right now, or are you seeing that in the research that you're doing?
I've heard that there's some difficulty in getting the metal materials, but also there's some chemicals that are used in certain casting processes that are in short supply. It's not quite driving up the cost, but it probably could in the next few months.
Yeah, I think we had this discussion yesterday. We're looking at the next quarter's cost of aluminum, and I've been doing this a long time. I've never seen aluminum at this price ever. And I think we're lucky that we've got no shortage. We've got a good supplier, and it's all North American. It's all good. But man, the cost is just outrageous. I mean, it's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, aluminum tends to follow the copper markets. Not really having the specifics in front of me, but a lot of the stuff goes back to the supply and demand availability. What we're hearing from a lot of our suppliers are that aluminum's available, but because of some of the squeezes in different countries, it's becoming higher in price. But you're seeing that across every metal. Again, it follows copper. Copper's still really high. Steel is still really high. I think lumber's came back down, but it's still really high for what it is traditionally. So you're seeing a lot across a lot of different materials. You're seeing it in plastics. Shannon mentioned chemicals. So it's not just one commodity, I guess, for lack of a better term. You're seeing it across the board here.
Yeah, we're seeing. Go ahead.
Sorry, I would bet for many foundries, if not most foundries, labor is your largest, going to be your more significant cost than any material, and that's also in short supply right now.
It sure is. That's a good point.
Absolutely.